There are so many black holes in our galaxy, and one of the smallest and nearest ones to Earth has now been found by astronomers. If you'd like to know more about this new record-setting discovery, I suggest you keep watching this video. I'll also be listing out 10 of the closest black holes to Earth. Trust me, you wouldn't want to miss a thing. What you need to know. Black holes don't emit light, thus they can't be seen. But their eerie, strong gravitational pull and associated stars can help us find them. The latest one was discovered by scientists from Ohio State University, who took note of how a red giant star's form was altered by the gravitational attraction of a possible companion black hole. Interestingly, only 1,500 light-years separate it from Earth. Since this new black hole was found in the Milky Way constellation of the Monoceros, which in Latin means unicorn, it has rightly been given the name the unicorn. It is around 3 times the Sun's mass, making it the smallest black hole found so far. Tharundu Jasenga, a PhD student in astronomy at Ohio State University and the study's primary author, said, "When we looked at the data, this black hole, the unicorn, just popped out." Todd Thompson, an astronomer at Ohio State and co-author of the study, also said, and I quote, "The black hole bends the star into a football-like shape, with one axis longer than the other, just as the moon's gravity bends the Earth's oceans, causing the seas to bulge toward and away from the moon, producing high tides. The most likely scenario is that it is a black hole." Other black holes close to Earth. Black holes are, by definition, invisible to the naked eye. However, by observing how they interact with their surroundings, astronomers are able to detect their presence and provide us with a glimpse of these objects, whose gravitational pull is so intense that nothing can escape its suction. In addition to proving that black holes exist, astronomers have discovered several of them in our galaxy during the past century. And given the number of stars in our galaxy, there should be tens of millions of them. The issue is that they may be difficult to find unless they are close to another star. Black holes in these binary systems have the ability to absorb matter from their companion stars, producing a distinctive X-ray glow in the process. From such X-ray observations, 77 nearby possible black holes were identified in a 2016 publication. And we have compiled a list of the 10 nearest black holes to Earth that astronomers have some knowledge of. Don't forget that black holes are difficult to examine because they are cloaked in mystery. Therefore, scientists can only learn more about the holes with the amount of information they are able to gather. Astronomers' most recent estimations of these black hole parameters are included in the numbers in this video. Number 1. V616 Monocerotis. The V616 Monocerotis has a mass 6 times more than our Sun's, which leads astronomers to believe that its system is one of the closest to Earth. This black hole occasionally releases dramatic blasts of X-ray light. One of those blasts happened in 1917, which was how the system was discovered. During another blast in 1975, the V616 Monocerotis brightened over 100,000 times, becoming the brightest X-ray source known at the time. It's not as close as the unicorn, but it's still only 3,500 light-years away, and this makes it one of the nearest black holes to our planet. It is also 6.6 times the solar mass of the Sun, and it is paired with a K-type main sequence star orbiting every 7.75 hours. Its companion star is only around 40% of our Sun's mass, and the star is continually losing mass to the black hole, whose pull is so strong it's squeezed into an ellipsoid instead of a sphere. Number 2. Cygnus X1. In the Cygnus X1 system, you can find the third closest black hole to Earth. Astronomers can actually see the black hole as it absorbs matter from the blue supergiant star HDE 226868. The Cygnus X1 black hole is thought to have originated as a star 40 times as massive as the Sun. Around 5 million years ago, it was most likely directly imploded to form a black hole, around the same time as the first mammoths appeared on Earth. This black hole is not as close as the previous 2 discussed so far, but it's only 6,000 light-years from us. It has a solar mass of 14.8, and the event horizon of the black hole is 185 miles long, or roughly the length of New Hampshire. Number 3. V404 Cygni. On rare occasions, the black hole binary system V404 Cygni bursts as a nova, and during an eruption in 2015, NASA's Swift X-ray satellite telescope captured light echoes when X-rays reflected off the system's dust rings. 2019 saw the discovery of a wobble in the massive jets of particles released by the black hole at V404 Cygni. They speculate that the black hole may have warped space-time, causing the wobbling. It is situated approximately 7,800 light-years from planet Earth and has a mass of 70% of the Sun. Number 4. GRO J0422 plus 32. It is still unclear if this black hole is a neutron star or just a result of the implosion of a star. More studies need to be done on it to reveal its true nature. This black hole has been confirmed to be around 7,800 light-years from Earth and is said to be about 5 times the Sun's mass. Number 5. Cygnus X3. Scientists are unsure if Cygnus X3 contains a black hole or a neutron star because the object's mass can't be accurately determined. The hole is linked with a Wolf-Rayet star, one of the brightest stars in the galaxy, which is an extraordinarily luminous object with a unique distribution of elements, notably on its surface. It might take a million years or so, but it is expected that the star will probably soon turn into a black hole itself. This is one of the furthest black holes on our list, as it is 20,000 light-years away from Earth. Number 6. GRO J165540. This black hole and its star travel through the galaxy at a speed of 250,000 miles per hour. In contrast, the Sun barely travels at 44,740 miles per hour. According to astronomers, the black hole was created by an asymmetric supernova, which explains how it is able to move at such a rapid speed. It is 11,000 light-years away from Earth, and its mass is 7 times that of the Sun. This black hole also rotates at an astonishing rate of 450 times per second, which is quick enough to bend the space around it. Number 7. Sagittarius A star. The core supermassive black hole of the Milky Way is known as the Sagittarius A star. It was discovered for the first time in 1931, thanks to a radio signal emanating from the galaxy's nucleus. Astronomers have now conclusively proven that it is a supermassive black hole by studying the movements of neighboring stars over a period of decades and keeping an eye on gas clumps close to the system. Astronomers also believe that black holes like this are present in other giant galaxies, and that this particular one is 25,640 light-years from Earth. Number 8. 47 Tuc X9. The second brightest group of stars in the Earth's night sky is the globular cluster 47 Tucanae, which is home to thousands of stars. Astronomers also believe that a black hole may reside right inside the cluster. However, the existence of a black hole in the globular cluster 47 Tucanae is still up for debate, but recent investigations have suggested that there's evidence for and against the theory. If there is indeed a black hole in the cluster, it would be an uncommon discovery, as scientists previously believed it was impossible for such a thing to exist. The mass of this potential black hole is unknown, but it is estimated to be around 14,800 light-years from Earth. Number 9. XTE J1118 plus 480. Astronomers aren't too sure, but this black hole is somewhere between 5,000 and 10,000 light-years away from Earth. It is 6 times the Sun's mass and is believed to have been created by a star-rich supernova. Number 10. GS 2000 plus 25. Not much is known about it, but astronomers are certain that this black hole is 7 times the Sun's mass and 8,800 light-years from Earth. It is also partnered with a late K-type star, which is half the Sun's mass. So guys, what do you think about this discovery? Could there be more black holes closer to Earth than we know? Let us have your thoughts in the comment section. See you next time.